Welcome back to the channel, traders. In today's videos, we'll go through our last stats analysis on gold, crude oil, and Bitcoin. I'll walk you through how our strategies are performing and what's coming next in the markets. Remember, all of this is for educational purposes and trading involves risks. Let's dive in. Let's start with the goal. Our sell position is progressing well as expected. We have already taken a partial profit to lock in gains, and we are anticipating the prices to drop further into the market zones. The current structural support continue bearish momentum. However, as always, we'll monitor for any potential reversals. If you're holding a position, make sure to adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Moving to the crude oil, the buy position we identify has been a success. The market respects the entry point and reached our target levels. Now, the key is to watch if the price can break out this range for another trading opportunity. Q&A on the highlighted levels for any signs of momentum. For now, it's all about patience and waiting for a confirmed breakout. And finally, Bitcoin, the bearish trend continued as expected, heading toward to the next key support level, marked by the red dotted lines. Today, the market experiences high volatility, including a short squeeze, which caught many traders off guard. For now, we are watching closely for potential buy zones to emerge as the price approaches critical levels. Stay cautious and stick to your plan. Um, that was up today market update is found this analysis help you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what assets you are trading and what are you thinking of the current market trends. As always, trade smart and stay disciplined. See you in the next video.